welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to do 3D acrylic flower petals. It's more like a half flower. So I have my monomer and I have my acrylic powder, and I'm dipping my brush in to the monomer, getting a small bead, not too dry, still has to be wet, and I'm getting 3 of those at a time. So the middle one is a bigger one, the 2 sides are smaller ones. If you do grab a too dry of bead, then go ahead and wet it with a little bit of monomer and it should even out. And if you get too wet of a bead, then just wipe off your brush and push your brush onto it, and that dries out the bead a little bit. That's a little trick that I've found out. And then in the middle, I'm just making lines into the petals. Now you want it on the sides, bring it in like you're doing a heart. And then I have a tool, it's the cuticle pusher. I didn't know why I didn't think of this before, but this makes perfect lines. Okay, I'm just doing a medium-sized rhinestone, putting the gummy jelly on and popping that right on there. You can use glue too. Now I'm taking the white gel polish and just outlining the petals and making lines in the middle, just for some detail. And I pop that in the light for 10 seconds. Next I'm doing a top coat, going all around the rhinestone and through the petals. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.